Welcome back.
Yes.
Thanks.
Yes.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be building a gingerbread house. This is both of our first times. We've never done it. So, and we're going to be eating dinner. We got pizza.
Big ass pizza. Yeah.
Holy shit!
Oh, yo, it's big.
Yes.
It's a big ass pizza. Babe.
Post, babe. Right there, go in front of the, close to the camera.
Close to the camera?
Yeah. Well, not. Oh my, baby. Okay, here, grab
Hold
the
on.
pizza.
Can I pick it up and record it?
Yeah.
Look at this big ass pizza.
It's giant.
Oh my lordy. This is actually our first time eating this shit too.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, look at this one.
This shit.
Look at this one.
Oh, that's so good. Oh my god, look at hers. Ours is so good, I haven't even tried it. I'm assuming it's good.
It's okay.
I don't mind it.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm just biased because there's a really good pizza place right by it. I don't think it's better than that one.
No.
The flavor.
Yeah.
I like that it's thin. I just feel like it's missing flavor.
Yeah. Just like how big it is. You know?
But
Let me see.
I don't know. Yeah. Better with the stuff on it. Have you guys ever had lettuce with pizza? It's like the best thing ever.
Yeah, that's really good. You actually
Or
showed,
feta on pizza.
You actually showed me that and I thought it was really good
Yeah.
side for pizza.
Okay. Let's see. I like that it comes with this little stand, so you can like.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know that it would come with that.
What is this? Comes with a little fake thing.
Oh, it's instructions.
Oh, it is.
No, this is for something
Just
that you
because-
can use. Oh, it's a holder.
Oh, it's a holder. So like to wait while it dries.
I'm gonna find out. Look at Santa Claus.
And then we got extra candy. We got little rainbow airheads, so we can make little rainbow flags. Oh, I need to get some toothpicks. Man.
Let me get some.
Yeah, please. These little gumdrops. What was these are called? Look at these.
That's some gumdrop buttons.
Then it comes with little lights.
That's cute.
Or colorful balls.
Oh, those are cute. Or are these chocolate looking balls?
And then we have little blocks. Little Christmas trees.
Let me see. I'll find out.
Mini candy canes. And then the rest of them.
This is all decor.
Yeah.
Extra decor.
Yeah. And it comes with a little tree. A little gingerbread man.
So cute.
Oh, that smells really good. Ooh, I have an idea.
Mm-hmm.
You want to do our own? And then we put it together?
Oh, yeah.
Like decorate the front
Uh-huh.
and then we stick it together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Cool. Which one do you want to decorate?
The snowman. I mean, I know it's not a snowman. I meant to say gingerbread man. I think I'm gonna buy this Lego. He's telling me, buy me. Look at his face.
I'm not going to be able
Buy
to
me.
stand up.
He's gonna be like this. Look, he's just staring at me. I think I'm gonna have to just bite his leg. Mmm.
Oh my god.
You only have one leg now. Tastes like stale flavored bread.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, it says right here. Please icing and warm water for 20 seconds.
A massage for 20 seconds.
Okay. How's that feel? Icing. It's good. Tissue massage.
Okay, we're back in business.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I think it's better. It's not the best, but it's gonna have to do. Cool.
Beautiful.
Okay. We're getting there.
Yeah. Okay. Put this in there.
Look at these butchered ass trees, if you could even see. You're too far.
Did you show these?
No.
They're like Legos.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Okay. Next. How the hell?
Here. I'm doing my decoration. Does that help? Does that even help? Woo!
I don't even know.
Happening.
You're not gonna add another color?
No. Do that.
No.
Where's my leg? Where is it? Look at that, he's special. We're keeping him forever.
It's gonna rot.
Well, we're keeping him until he rots. My side of the house is
Mine too.
is this the... It's cute.
Okay, let's see.
Are we gonna throw already?
No. Do you want to?
We can throw like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y ahora vamos a hacer el techo.
El techo. Eso dice roof. Techo.
You have never seen this done before. We decorated before we constructed.
You want to do it?
People don't think they've ever done it. It's fun for us.
Oh. Go that way. My way, highway.
stove.
Oh,
This is it. Can you hear it? This is it. Mm. 360, 360. Watch the roof fall off.
the roof is falling. Well, Arch.
You watched it here first. Disaster and Gingerbread-topia. Right there. This is the finished product. We had fun building it.
And during the earthquake, the gingerbread lost its leg.
Yeah, right. You bit it off.
I don't even know that.
Okay. Shh. Okay, guys.
Nice. Oh, that is going down. It's going down. It's going down.
We had fun.
Yes.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
You're crazy.
Oh,
Timber! No. Dang, I don't even get to destroy it. I really want to destroy it.
I destroyed it though.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. But hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. This was fun. Thanks for watching.
See you later.
Bye.
Alligator. After a while. Crocodile.